Hello guys, welcome to our channel. What is this?
It's 2.5. Well, it's 3 millimeter nail.
This is a 3 millimeter nail. We are going to give it a.
We are giving it 150 ampere.
Let's see what happens.
Okay, check this. Okay, sure.
Heating started. Oh wow! This is amazing.
Wow, it's almost.
You can see this. Wow!
Oh,
Oh my god! Oh shit! I'm going back. Oh wow! Look at this. What's happened? What's happened?
oh, wire is burning. Oh
No, stop this. Stop.
This is not fair.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
What is this happening? Oh no.
Check this.
This is extremely serious condition.
Oh, wow. This.
Oh, what the
It's
hell?
all
Oh
burned.
my god, look at this. What the fuck is happening? Fine,
This metal is completely. Let's keep it.